everyone. Today we will start the next topic of the chapter set. In previous video I have explained you the forms, method or types of sets. So today we will discuss the question answer session on the same chapter, that is sets. So I have created some questions here and explained it. So the first of all you need to know some notations. Capital N, that means it is natural number that starts with 1. W means whole number that starts with 0. I means integer, that means it contains all the negative numbers 0 and positive numbers. E means all even numbers and O means all the odd numbers. So let us come to the first question. The question is, state which of the following collections are set. Some options are given, you have to identify which one are the set. So first one, all states of India. So for set, if the object is well defined, if the set is well defined, okay, then it is called set. So first one, all states of India. We know how many states of India are there. So this example is well defined. So we can say it is the example of set. Number 2, 4 cities of India having more than 1 lakh population. It is difficult to find out which city of India having more than 1 lakh population. It is not well defined. So all students of your school. It is also very difficult to identify how many tall students are there in our school. So it is also not defined. Fourth one, 4 colors of rainbow. Now which 4 colors? Not given. So not well defined. Fifth one, all beautiful flowers. All flowers are beautiful, we know. So it is also not defined well. Number 6, all clever people of Lucknow. Here also we don't know how many peoples of Lucknow are clever. So it is also not defined. 7th, last 3 days of the week. We know last 3 days of the week are Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So this set is well defined, or this example is well defined, and we can say it is an example of set. 8th one is all months of a year having at least 30 days. We know how many months are there having at least 30 days. So this set is also well defined. So among these options, number 1 is well defined and it is a collection of sets. Number 7, it is also a collection of set. And number 8, it is called also a set. Come to next question. If A is equal to set of vowels of English alphabet, that means how many vowels are there. So here I have explained. In roster form it can be written as A, E, I, O, U. That means these are all the vowels in English alphabet. Then you have to identify which of the following statements are true. In a case statement is incorrect, then mention why. Now first one, C belongs to A. Now we have to identify C is there in the set A. No, so this statement is not correct. A belongs to A. We can see A is here, but this A is written inside the curly bracket. That means this one is self a set. So this option is also not correct. Okay, because in set A these are 5 elements. Here only one element is there. Third one, A, I, U, it belongs to A. Yes, A, I, U belongs to A, so this one is correct. Fourth one, A and U does not belongs to A. We can see that A and U is written inside the curly brackets, so we can say it is self a set. Okay, so this does not belongs to A, that means this option is correct. AIU belongs to A. AIU is written inside the curly bracket and it is self a set. Okay, so this option is also incorrect. And number 6, A and B belongs to A. A is there but B is not there. So this option is incorrect. So the correct option is 3 and 4. Describe the following sets. The sets are this one. All these sets are written in roster form. We have to describe, that means we have to write in description method. So first one is set of A, B, C, D, E, F. What we can write? These are the set of first 6 letters of alphabet. Okay, in description method we have to write. Next, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. As we can see, these all are the prime numbers. So what we can write? Set of prime numbers less than 20. Next, this means last 3 days of the week. April, August and October. These are month of a year whose name begins with a vowel. Next question is, write the following sets in tabular form and also in set builder form. So the first question is, the set of even whole numbers which lies between 10 and 50 lies between 10 and 50. That means we have to start from 12 and write up to 48. We don't need to include 10 and 50. Why? Because it is written lie between 10 and 50. So here we will define first n, that is start from 5 to 25, and xn is equal to 2n. That means 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8. What we will get? 12, 14, 16. That means we are getting all the even whole numbers. Okay, up to 48. So in roster form we can write it as 12, 14, 16 up to 48. Okay. And in set builder form we can write x such that x is equal to 2n. Okay. 2n. What is n? I have written here. And here I have multiplied with 2 to get all the even whole numbers. So x such that x is equal to 2n. This n belongs to n, means natural number, and 5 less than n less than 25. This n starts from 5 and end to 25, but we do not include 5 and 25, because if we multiply 2 with 5 we will get 10, and if we multiply 2 with 25 we will get 50. So excluding 10 and 50 we have to write also. I have written 5 is less than n less than 25. Next, months of year having more than 30 days. So in roster form and in set builder form we can write it as, we will write all the months having more than 30 days, like January, March, May, July, August, October, December. And in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is the month of year having more than 30 days. Next, the set of single digit whole number which are perfect square. So in set builder form we can write it as 0, 1, 4, 9, because these numbers are perfect square. Perfect square means if you multiply two same numbers, the number we will get is perfect square. So 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. But if we write 4 into 4, it will be 16 and it will become of 2 digit. But in question it is asking single digit. Okay. So in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is a perfect square, 1 digit number. The set of factors of 36. In tabular form we can write how many factors are there of 36. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36. So we have written in roster form. And in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is a factor of 36. Next question is, Write the following sets in roster form and also in description form. So first one is x such that x is equal to 4n, where n belongs to w. W means what? Whole number, and n is less than 5. That means we have to start from 0. For n we have to start from 0 and we have to write up to 4. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will multiply all the n, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, with this 4n. What we will get? 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16. So we will write all this in roster form, and in set builder form it can be written as, in description form it can be written as whole numbers which are divisible by 4 and less than 20. Next is, in set builder form it is given x such that x is equal to n square. N belongs to n. N means natural number, and n is less than 8. That means we have to write from 1 to 7. So this value of n we will put here in n square. So we will get 1, 4, 9 up to 49. So in roster form we can write it as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. Okay. And in description form we can write it as square of first 7 natural numbers. Next, in set builder form it is written y such that y equal to 2x minus 1. X belongs to w. W means whole number, and x is less than 5. Less than 5 means we have to write from 0 to 4. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this value of x we have to put here. When you will put the value of x here, we will get minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7 in roster form. In description form we can write it as odd integers which lies between minus 2 to 8. X such that x is a letter in word ultimatum. Whatever alphabets are given more than one times, we will take it as once only. So in roster form we can write it as ultima. U is given 2 times, so we have written it once. L 1 time. T is given 2 times, so we have written it at once. M is given 2 times, we have written it once, and A. And in description form we can write it as letters in the word ultimatum. Now next question is, write the following set in roster form. So these are the sets given in set builder form, we have to write in roster form. So first one is x such that x belongs to n. N means what? Natural numbers, where 5 is less than equal to, if it is given less than equal to, then we have to include 5. If it is given only less than that, we have to exclude 5. That means from 6 we have to take, and we have to write up to less than 10. Less than 10 means up to 9 we have to write. So in roster form we can write it as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one is x such that x is equal to n square minus 1, where n belongs to, n means natural number, and n is less than 5. That means since it is natural number, we have to start from 1, we have to write up to 4. That value of n we have to put in this equation. In roster form we will get 0, 3, 8, 15. X such that x is a constant in the word notation. Constant in the word, constant in this word. So constants are n and t. Since t is written 2 times, we have to write only once. X such that x is a digit in the numeral 1, 1, 0, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1. So the digits will be in roster form 10567. 1 is written 3 times, so we have to write once. X such that x is equal to 6p, where 6 p belongs to I means integer, and minus 2 is less than equal to p less than equal to 2. That means we have to include minus 2 and 2 both. Now put this value of p in this equation. So in roster form we will get minus 12, minus 6, 0, 6 and 12. Now x such that x is equal to minus 1 equal to 0. No element is there, no equation is there. What we will do, we will simply transpose minus 1 on the right hand side. So what we will get, x is equal to 1. So this will be the element. Next question is, write the following sets in set builder form. So the set is 1, 3, 5, dot 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 29. Okay, as we can see, these are the odd natural numbers. So in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is an odd natural number and x is less than 30. Okay, up to 29 we have written, so we have to write x less than 30. We can assume all the numbers within 1 to 29 as x. Okay, next is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. As we can see, these are all the prime numbers. So in roster form or in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is a prime number less than 30. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. By seeing this one, we can say that these are the perfect square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and dot dot dot. Okay, no end point is given but starting is given. So what we can write, x such that x is equal to n square. N means natural numbers. Next is 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 dot 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 1 by 20. You can see in numerator it is common 1, but in denominator it is changing. That means they are natural numbers starting from 5 and up to 20. So what we can write, x such that x is equal to 1 by n. N belongs to this natural number and n is less than 20 and greater than 5. That means 5 is less than equal to n and less than equal to 20. That means we have to include this 5 up to 20. Minus 16, minus 8, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. As we can see, these are all the multiple of 8, but all the negative numbers. That means we have to include integers here. So in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is equal to 8p. 8 means these are the multiple of 8 and p means integers. So this value of p starts from minus 2. Why minus 2? Minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. We will put all the value of p starting from minus 2 to 5 in this equation. So we will get these numbers in roster form. January, June, July. So in set builder form we can write it as x such that x is a month of a year whose name begins with letter J. Next question. If V is the set of vowels in the word competition, so you have to write this in description form, set builder form and in roster form. So in description form we can write it as vowel in the word competition. In set builder form we can write it as x such that x is a vowel in the word competition. In roster form we will write all the vowels inside this word. That means O, E and I. Now next, classify the following sets into empty set, finite set and infinite set. Empty set means no element will be there. Finite set means there will be a starting and ending of a set. Infinite means It may happen that there is no starting but there is an ending point of the set, or there is a starting point but there is no ending point of the set. So first one, all colors of a rainbow. It is a finite set because we know there are only 7 colors in a rainbow. That is countable. Prime numbers between 7 and 11. There is no prime number between 7 and 11. So no element is there, so we can write it as empty set. Multiple of 5. It is an infinite set because multiple of 5 starts with 5 into 1 and it goes on. There is no ending point is given, so infinite set. All straight lines drawn in a plane. Infinite. Infinite numbers of line we can draw in a plane. Digits in the numeral 5501315527. So we can count the digits here, so it is a finite set. X such that X is a letter in the word sufficient. We can count how many letters are there in the word sufficient, so it is also a finite set. X such that X is equal to 4 and n belongs to I, and X less than 10. Here no starting point is given but ending point is given, so it is infinite set. X belongs to n and as it is a factor of 180. We know how many factors of 180 are there, that means they are countable, so it is finite set. X such that X is a vowel in the word Y. Is there any vowel? No, so it is empty set. Next, X such that X is equal to 5n, where n belongs to W, W means whole number, and X is less than 60. So whole number starts with 0 and up to less than 60, so means starting point is given, ending point is given. Whatever value of X we have, we can write, so it is a finite set. Next question, which of the following describes the same set? Same set means all elements are same to the second set. That means the elements of set A will be equal to element of set B, same as set B. So first one is vowels of the English alphabet. So how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U, and same are present in second set. A, E, I, O, U. That means all the elements are same. So we can say it as same set. A, B, D and D, A, B, B. As I have said, if 2 times it is written, we have to consider it as 1 only. So these two sets are also same. Here also these two sets are same. In this question also the sets are same. But in number 4 you can see 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. In these two sets 4 is uncommon, so these are not same. Next question, find the pairs of equal sets from the following set. These are the pair of set given. Okay, you have to identify which one of the following are the equal set. You have to identify the pairs. So A, B, E are the equal set. We have to convert in roster form first. After that we have to identify which one are the equal set. So if we convert it in the roster form, we can see A, B and E, all the elements will be equal. So these are equal. Elements will be 0, 1, 2, 3. C, F, H are equal. Their elements will be F, O, L, W. Okay. So these sets are equal. And D and G are equal. The elements will be days in a week. Next question, find the pairs or group of equivalent set from the following set. In equivalent sets, the cardinal number of the set must be equal. We will not consider whatever elements are written inside. So A, C, E and G are equivalent because they are having 7 elements. Same way B and D are equal. Then set F and H is equivalent, and set I and j is equivalent because their number of set, or you can say the cardinal number, is same. Now what is cardinal number? I have explained in previous video. You can check it out over there. In this question you have to find whether A is subset of B or B is subset of A or none of these. So this is the first question. The elements of set A is 1 2 3 and element of set B is 2 3 3 3 1 3. As I have told, if a same number or letter is written many times, you have to consider it at once. So we can see that in set A and set B, both the elements are same. So we can say A is subset of B, B is subset of A, or we can say that A is equal to B. In number 2, set A is given 2, 4, 6, that means all even numbers, and set B is given all natural number, that means it starts from 1. So we can see set A belongs to B, that means all the elements of set A is inside the set B. So we can say A is subset of B, but B is not subset of A because all the elements of B like 1, 3, 5, 7 are not present in set A. Number 3, we have to write this in roster form first. So x belongs to I means integer, and x square is less than 20. Okay, so we can see all the elements of B are present in A, but all the elements of A is not present in set B. So we can write B is subset of A, but A is not the subset of B. Next, A is the letters of king, that means K, I and G are the elements, and here B letters of queen, that means if you write in roster form we can write it as Q, U, E, N only. So we can write neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A, that means no element of A is present of B and no elements of B is present in set A. Next question is, state whether each of the following is true or false for the set A and B, where set A is the letter of cloud and set B is letter of Kolkata. So we have to write in roster form first. So element of A will be CLOUD and element of set B will be KOLAT. So first one, A, if A is subset of B. No, because not all the elements of set A is present in set B. Next question is, set B belongs to A. No, because all the elements of B also is not present in A. Now A is equivalent to B. This symbol is used for equivalent. In previous video I have explained you. So for equivalent we have to find the cardinal number of both the set. So we can see how many elements are there in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cardinal number of set A will be 5 and cardinal number of B also will be 5. So both the cardinal numbers are equal. So we can say that number 3 is true. Now write all the subsets of the following set, all the subset possible. So first one is given 3, 5. So the subsets are 5 means nothing, no element, if we have no elements here. Next is 3, only 3 is there, only 5 is there, and 3, 5. You can say we are writing the factors of this set. Next 2, 4, 6, 5, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 6 and 2, 4, 6. We will write all the possible subsets of the given set. Now next, if A is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n and n is less than 5, then find A when it belongs to n means natural number. It will be 2, 4, 6, 8 only. Next, when it is whole number, it will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And when it is integer, That means no starting point is there. That means we have to write up to 8. So that's all, students. Practice for all these questions at home. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it later. Thank you.